I am working on my renewable energy part 2 video, but in between I made this video. Here we go. So, you want to make a flag? Well, not a bad flag. I mean, look at this one. Pocatello, Idaho has a trademark and is even copyrighted. Of course, it's a little blurry, but so to make a flag, you need to remember these 5 rules. Keep it simple. Take, for example, Japan's flag. Japan's flag is just a red dot on a white background. And what I would do for my flag is just have a gray background because that's what I use for my videos. Of course, I have a little outline because it's easier for you to see, but it doesn't have to be a rectangle. Taken for example, Nepal. Nepal has this double triangle shape. The second rule is to have meaningful symbolism. In Nepal, the triangles represent the mountains of Himalayas. And for my example, I thought of having a white circle and a yellow sun to represent sunlight, and the white circle represents the moon. The third rule is to have 2 to 3 basic colors. So you can have 2 colors like Japan, 3 colors like Great Britain, but you can even have more, like how India has 4 different colors and how South Africa has 5 different colors and the LGBT flag has 6 colors. But don't go for one color like Libya. Luckily they changed it to this better flag. And don't even try to have way more than that. Like the EU flag of 2002. Look at it, it's like a colored barcode. And as you can see, my flag right now has a blue triangle on the bottom side, so that just represents the sea or the earth, however you look at it, and then the black represents the space. Now moving on to the fourth rule is to have no seals or letters. If I look at Mexico's flag, though it doesn't have a seal, at least I don't think it does, we cannot have that type of complexity. And if you zoom in, you'll see how complex and many shades of colors there are. So what I would do to fix it is probably take it out and add a cactus. Of course, this is silly and all, but it's just an example. And my sun and circle are not a seal, so I'm good to go. Finally, we have our last rule, which is to be relatable and or be distinct. So if I show you this image of a leaf, you know what flag it belongs to. I'll give you a couple of seconds. You probably got it by now, which is Canada. And if you're looking at my flag, I'm not sure if any other flag has the same pattern as mine. So that means I'm good to go. Finally, before I leave, I want to show you my favorite flags. And these flags are from cities of Japan. Just look at how majestic and beautiful they are. So that's how you create your own flag. Hope you liked it and bye.